How to free up space on your PC. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you a few methods to clean up your PC. Now without any further delay, let us just jump right in. So the very first thing you need to do is go ahead and find your recycle bin, because what happens most of the times is people don't usually care about the recycle bin, or they don't open it as often, and there you can find many different files and folders, and all you have to do is just select all, and if there are all of the items that you don't want, you can go ahead and click on empty recycle bin, click on yes. This is one of the quickest ways to clear out space on your laptop or PC. Then after doing so, there's a good chance that you have unnecessary files on your downloads folders as well. Make sure you open downloads folder and clear out all of the things that you don't need from here. Just select it, tap on delete, and you'll be good to go. Then from there, what you can also do is go to the search bar and search for disk cleanup, hit enter, select your drive, click on OK. And then from here, you can select temporary internet files, downloaded programs. Then you can do DirectX, shader cache, delivery optimization files. Just select these checkboxes and then tap on OK, and it will clear out all of the unnecessary files for you. That is basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.